try to do this without holding on to it. This might be very difficult to do, but first off, I'll set this like this, just so it can be seen. This battery that's over here, this battery, right here, has 0 volts. I'm just going to go to this and make sure it's all connected. You can see it's got 0.0000 volts. I had to add an extra 0. But let's just try this little connection here. It's just got this here. This might be hard to see. I'm going to try to do this to where you can see it. I don't have anything to hold this, so. Okay, let me do that. I got that held there. I don't know how long it's going to take because it's completely dead. But we'll play it by ear and I will test it again after I get this thing. I got to get it to retouching again. This is just to show that I'm not pulling any tricks or nothing like that. Just to show that I'm actually doing what I'm saying I'm going to do. This is just to show how it's done. It's not absolutely guaranteed that it's going to work, but it should work. Like I said, I had a few not work. But it had 0 volts in it, so we'll see. I'm actually going to look at my timer. I'm going to go till 2 minutes and see what it does. It had 0 volts before. My thought is it'll have around 1.5 volts if I wait till 2 minutes to test this. And we'll see what it's got. Okay, I'm at 2 minutes. Let's see what it's got. 2.19. So let's go a little bit further. Let's do this a little longer. I want to try to get this up to 2.5. So I'm going to do this for another 30 seconds or so. So at least till 240 on the timer. I probably am going to go till 250 just to make sure this is good. Okay, it's still connected. Just to make sure that that it gets enough juice. It's not guaranteed though, because you know some of these cells don't take charge that good. You know, it just depends on the circumstance, I guess. If they got damage, I'm just gonna wait till 3. I'm hoping this will be enough. If this is enough and gets it up past 2.4, I'm gonna put it on the charger. Let me try it. Hopefully this is enough. See if this has got it over the hump. 2.30, that's not enough. That battery's kind of crap, so I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to make it over the hump on this one. It's got to at least be 2.40 before I can even put it in the charger, because it'd be futile. But then again, I might have just had this not connected properly, so we'll see. 2.3 might work, but it would be preferable. It'd be preferable to put to get it to 2.4. 2.4 is it should be good. Now, as long as I've actually actually charged this one, it might start. It might not. I mean, you know, it's hit or miss, but you can revive them. It's just a matter of first off, this battery wasn't completely full, so that might be an issue. 3.66, that should work. Okay, let's get this bitch in the charger here. Pull this one out. Get it in there so see the battery's actually warm. Yeah, it's not showing as much as it had. It's showing 1.68. That ain't good. Actually, it's going up. Okay. I hope it doesn't error. It might error. Come on, go up, baby. Let me see if it takes. I'm hoping it takes. 1.91. I don't know, man. It might. It might start. It might go. We'll see. It's looking like it's going to error on me. But we'll see. Come on, go up, sweetheart. Come on. Come on, work. You fit fudge another. Come on, kick down, kick down. I don't know. Oh, it might work. It might work. Hopefully. Come on, don't go down too far. Come on, come on, come on. Stop going down. Come on, stop bleeding, stop bleeding. Come on, stop bleeding. Come on, start going up. Come on. I'm rooting for it. I'm not, I don't know, man. This one might not work. It might not work, but I guess I'm going to let this thing charge, and hopefully it does work. Actually, it's not bleeding off now, so it looks like it's going to charge. It looks like it's going up, so that's good. That's a good sign. Normally, you want it over 2.4, but it looks like it might have caught at 2.26. So it might have just been artificial, the 2.41. So I might have actually needed to put it in there a little bit longer, but I guess I'm just going to see what this thing does. If I can get this, if it goes up to 233 and and above, and it's still on 0% over here, because that's what it does when it's too low. It'll like go up to a certain point, and then it'll show right here. It'll show this like 99% and 75%, and but sometimes you can get it to go out of that loop, because this one right here did that when it went up to 2.3 something, and then it went back down because it was on 99%. So sometimes you can get it when it actually shows like the artificial number over here. It just depends on how low the battery is. If it's not got enough juice, it won't do it. But I think that might be the issues with the ones that I put over to the side, is I just didn't have them charged enough. That battery's not fully charged, but it looks like this one's caught. It looks like it's starting to charge. So I'm just gonna leave it on here, and I guess I would pause the video, but it's just gonna stop. So I guess I'm gonna take this. Let me see if there's a mark on this that I can actually identify. Yeah, you see that little black mark there? Oh, actually it's not there. Okay, that little discoloration there. You can see that little discoloration there. You can't fake that. And this is I'm going to leave it exactly the right at same angle. And these other ones are going to be they'll probably be charged by the time this one's even took. But I'm gonna get this thing seated. Okay, it's seated now. But you see the shape of that, so I'm going to leave it. And you can see all the little, all that. So that's all damage that can be identified, so you could actually know that I'm going to leave this in the charger, and I will come back in the next video and let you know how it went. Because this one had absolutely zero juice, just like this one. So this is going to be proof. If this one takes, which it looks like it's took, and it's going to be cool. But thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody, and hopefully the next video is really going to be cool, because if this thing's at 25% by the time, or more by the time I actually show the next video, that means it's a success. This one right here is just about to start. This last one, which was at 0, it's just about to start to go up percentage wise. Once it hits 3.33 on the volts, the percentage will go up. But that's all I wanted to say in this video, but thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody, and I just think this is cool, because I was always under the impression that if it was completely dead, or almost completely dead, that it wouldn't be no good. But these cells wasn't that old when the batteries failed, so that might be why they didn't have very many charge cycles on them. So that might be why they're still good. Older batteries might not have held up. They might have just ruined them. But we'll see. But thank you for watching. Have a nice evening. If you find this insightful and pretty cool video, like and subscribe. Thank you again. Have a nice evening. Cherish your family. Take care, and goodbye.